In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export in Monday.com. Our goal is to make this process smooth and straightforward so that you can efficiently manage your projects and data. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com using your web browser. Once there, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various ways to access your account. For this tutorial, we're going to log in using Google. Simply click the Google option and then select your Google account to proceed. Now that you're logged in, take your attention to the left panel of the screen. This is where your boards are listed. Select the board that contains the data or project you want to work with. As you become familiar with Monday.com, managing different boards will become second nature. With your board open, look for the New Item drop-down arrow. Clicking on this will reveal several options. Here, we want to focus on importing items. Click on Import Items to move forward. You'll now have the opportunity to add data to your board from a CSV file. You can either click on Browse to locate the correct file on your computer, or utilize the convenient drag and drop feature by simply dragging your CSV file into the designated area. This flexibility allows you to choose the method that suits you best. Once your file is ready, the next step is to match columns. This is crucial because it ensures that the information from your CSV aligns correctly with the columns in your Monday.com board. It's all about making sure everything falls into place seamlessly, which saves you time and avoids any potential data mishaps. After matching the columns, continue forward by clicking on Continue. At this stage, you'll be presented with options on how to handle duplicates. This step is important because it lets you manage how duplicate data entries are treated within your board, maintaining data integrity. Lastly, when everything is set and you're happy with how your data will be imported, go ahead and click on Start Import. Once clicked, the system will begin processing your information, integrating it smoothly into your board. Throughout this process, always ensure that you're dealing with up-to-date CSV files to avoid importing outdated information. Consistent data management is key to maintaining healthy workflows within Monday.com. That's it. You've successfully learned how to import data into Monday.com. If you've followed these steps, you now have the confidence to manage your data more effectively. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each time you do this, it will become easier and quicker. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.